Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Aisha Bibi, MPhil Scholar, Department of Zoology, Kurst, here to present my MPhil research work entitled Cytotoxic Effects of Oxalis aciducella and Basia indica on Primary Cancer Cell Lines under the supervision Dr. Kalimullah from our Zoology Department, Dr. Ishaq Khan from Institute of the Basic Medical University, Peshawar, and Dr. Muhammad Adnan from Botany Department of Cust. This is how I present my research work. First, I will give brief introduction of my research work that will be followed by gap analysis. Then I will talk about the main objectives of the research work and then materials and methods that will be used in this research work. Later, we'll talk about the results and discussion and we'll talk about the conclusion and recommendation, acknowledgement and references. Introduction. Cancer is a major health problem and the second leading cause of death around the world. According to the World Health Organization, around 18 million new cases of cancer and 9.8 million deaths due to various types of cancer were reported in 2018. There are 1.4 million approximately cancer patients in Pakistan and it is ranked first in terms of breast cancer incidence among Asian countries. There has been a good progress in cancer treatment, but the successful treatment still remains a challenge for the researchers. Therefore, there is a need to develop a drug which are more potent and having less side effects because cancer cells develop resistance to commonly used chemotherapeutic agents. Basia indica is a natural herb of medical and economic importance belonging to the family Amarantaceae and is distributed worldwide. It is traditionally used for healing and various ailments such as vomiting, blood pressure, constipation, intestinal worms, and cancer. The Oxalis aciducella belongs to family Oxalidaceae native to northern hemisphere. This plant is traditionally used for the treatment dermatological infections and has shown antioxidant and anti-cancer activity. The gap analysis of research work. Previously, these plants were used for against breast cancer, liver cancer, and the cervical cancer cell lines, but their anti-cancer effect on primary cancer cell lines is yet to be investigated. Therefore, this study is aimed to find out the cytotoxic effects of Oxalis aciducella and Basia indica on primary cancer cell lines. Objective of the research work was first objective to determine the plant extract induced cytotoxicity of primary cancer cell lines. Second objective was to determine the effect of plant extract on morphology and cell viability of primary cancer cell lines. Methodology flowchart, ethical approval. Both plants were collected from disticura and grinded into powder form after drying in shadow and methanol-based extract were prepared and MTT bioassay was performed and finally statistical analysis was done. These are pictures. Basia indica, Oxalic aciducella, extract preparation, MTT bioassay. Results. The present study was conducted to find out the anti-cancer activity of the selected medicinal plant using the MTT bioassay against cervical and breast primary cancer cell lines. Anti-cancer activity of the Basia indica was carried out by using the cervical primary cancer cell lines and different concentration of extract were prepared. Methanolic extract of the Basia indica show 50.17 at 10 mg per ml, while 74.22 at 50 mg per ml inhibition shows that anti-cancer activity of the Basia indica was carried out by using the breast primary cancer cell lines and the different concentration of extract were used. Methanolic extract of Basia indica 40.45.11 at 10 mg per ml, while 71.60 at 50 mg per ml. Inhibition shows that anti-cancer activity of the Oxalis acidocella was carried out by using the cervical primary cancer cell lines, and different concentrations of the extract were prepared. Methanolic extract of the Oxalis acidocella 7.04 at 10 mg per ml, while 17.23 at 50 mg per ml. Inhibition showed that anti-cancer activity of the acidocella was carried out by using the breast primary cancer cell lines, and different concentrations of the extracts were prepared. Methanolic extract of the oxalis acidocella 4.79 at 10 mg, while 19.02 at 50 mg per ml. Inhibition showed that. Conclusion and recommendations. MTT assay results show that methanolic extract of the Basia indica was more effective against the primary cancer cell lines than Oxalis acidocella. It may be concluded from present study that Basia indica was more cytotoxic, and it can be used for further anti-cancer activity through in vivo and in vitro trials. The present study would be helpful in introducing the specific and the safe drugs for curing cancer as well as other infectious diseases. The present study was conducted using only cervical cancer cell line and the breast primary cell lines, but the plant extract may be more effective against the other cell lines. Acknowledgements. I am thankful to Dr. Kalimullah, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, KUST, Dr. Ishaq Khan, Assistant Professor, Department of Cancer Genetics, Institute of the Basic Medical, KMU, Peshawar, Dr. Muhammad Adnan, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, KUST. Thanks to all faculty members and lab class fellow. References. Thank you.